This is a quick tutorial on logging into the CTLS Learn platform. To begin, I have a copy of the CTLS Digital Learning Information Sheet. Here there is an active link. I will click and it will open the link to the CTLS platform in my browser. I'm going to type in my student Office 365 login, which would be your child's name dot last name, first name dot last name at students.cobbk12.org. Their password should be 123 if your student has not changed their password. If their password is different and they don't remember it, you will need to request a password reset by using the bottom right corner of the CTLS Digital Learning Information Sheet. Again, if your student does not remember their password, or if they have changed it from 123, you will need to request a password reset. Okay? Once I have the information typed into the username and password bar, I will click sign in. Here is the dashboard. Your student's name should appear in the top right-hand corner icons. You should see a listing of all the enrolled classes that your student is scheduled for. So here you see the homeroom tile, English Language Arts, Health, Math, PE, Reading, Science, Social Studies, and scroll down, there's one for Art. These are all the enrolled courses for your student, and you will see your homeroom teacher and any other attached teacher listed as the instructors. I'll start by looking into the homeroom tile. Homeroom is where we will find the important announcements and important information for the class. Homeroom will house all important announcements and important information for the entire class. As you can see, some things have been posted. The CTLS support page has been added. Here you will also see the dojo link to join Mr. Gobear's class. And there is a recording of today's earlier Zoom meeting for the meet and greet the teacher. So that for people that weren't able to watch it, or if you're in another session and you want to see this, here you will also see your class board. This is where things that are pertinent to the class that will stay and continue to be added on. So this is recurring information that the students may need to come back to from time to time. Again, homeroom is where we will find important announcements for the class. I'll go back out to my main dashboard. Here, again, you see the tiles for each of the subject areas. I will go into a subject area. I'll choose math. Okay, here you will see your teacher. Here you will see any announcements when assignments have been posted. For example, there is a posted assignment for math already. If you look down the left-hand margin, you will see the digital sessions, and you will see the attached resources. You will see assignments, discussions, and assessments. Okay? And your teacher will give you instructions and directions on how to navigate and move through each of the sections. That is a quick look at our CTLS Learn platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, or you may send me a message on Dojo. Or if you need more technical support, please utilize the CTLS Digital Learning information sheet. In the bottom right hand corner, you may click the link to request a password reset. If you have more questions, the other live links may be helpful. Thank you.